So I'm just thinking of this as I go. Trying to figure out how to make this and to cut it and to make it look good. I just recently had this idea. So I'm just going to cut this all the way around here, as deep as I can go. And that's basically where the base of my flower is going to go to. I also did a mock-up of mortise and tenon flower petal. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Let me get that out of your way. And then we're going to have a hummingbird going in for the kill with a praying mantis that's trying to get the hummingbird. Many of you may not know that that happens in nature, but it does. Praying mantises are some vicious killers. So I got this. That's gonna be my carving for my praying mantis. Look how big that thing is. Mine's not gonna be quite that big, I don't think. And then this is the flower that I'm trying to make. It's gonna come out awesome, don't you worry. Just wait.